guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a makeup video. It's been a while since I've done a makeup video. So today we are going to do a 7-minute makeup challenge. These products I'm about to use, and guys, if you hear any music at the background, my neighbor decided to get happy and play music at a time that Margaret wants to film her video, so forgive me if you hear any sound of music at the background. My neighbor has decided to just be happy at this time. So guys, as I said earlier, I'm going to film a 7-minute video, and these products that I'm about to use, I'm so happy they are all affordable. You can get them at Walmart, SOPHORA, everywhere. So let's get on into the video with this 7-minute makeup challenge. So I'm going to start by applying my moisturizer. No, this one is actually, I've applied the moisturizer, the serum, the eye creams and everything. This one is actually a sunscreen, guys. So I'll start by applying my sunscreen. This is actually an oil-based sunscreen. I've already talked about this in my previous video during the skincare video, so if you guys like, you can check that video out. So let's move on. So next I'm going to apply primer. This primer is from Rollernet. I've used their primer for some time and I really loved it. I just bought a new one from MAC and Sleek. Maybe the next makeup video I'll use that one. So for the skin we are all set. Let's move on to foundation. So guys, I'm going to use this foundation from Classic USA. So that's what I'm going to use for today. Guys, this is a simple everyday look. This isn't really about full glam or anything. This is a simple everyday look. I wanted to use the brush to apply that. I realized that when I use the brush, it's like majority of the products just stay on the brush, so I'm just going to use my hand. I should have just done this instead of just. Anyway, I'm going to use the sponge to just blend everything out. So guys, I'm sorry my battery died and I have to change the battery, but I've already used the sponge. I didn't know the battery was off, so I've already used the sponge to just blend the foundation in. So let's move on to the brow. So I'm going to use this to comb the brow in shape. And I'm going to use this pencil from Davis Cosmetics, guys, for the brow. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. This is an everyday face, so I'm not going to be anything deep. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself better. So to highlight, I'm going to use this concealer from Rollernet. I've already used this before. Oh, thank God it's not dried up. Thank you, baby. It's just twist your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. We are done. set the foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline powder.
Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss.
Moving on to blush, I'm going to use this palette from Ashes. I'm going with this shade right here, down here. For lips, I'm going with this from Huda Beauty. It's a gloss. On top of it is I'm Man Naked, or Iman Naked, however I want to call it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give
So guys, this is it.
me ice and fire.
Under 7 minutes. You can throw this together as fast as possible when we are going to school or work.
Chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby.
So yeah, that's it for 7 minutes of face that you can get at everywhere. Walmart, SOPHORA, pretty much everywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to all that jazz. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.